The security technology industry keeps growing larger and larger. What are you doing about this? From CCTV installation to access control system installation to even home automation. There are so many new things to be learnt to expand your knowledge base as a professional. The Securetech Expert Training Academy, where we train people from different capacities on the deeper technicalities in the installation of these security solutions, holds 4 times every year. With the first session successfully completed in April, we are happy to announce the second session commencing in June. Watch some of the testimonies from the previous students of the Securetech Expert Training.
So the first thing on my mind is that I thought this camera, which I come directly to the center. So and for the first time I met you, maybe you can recall that I'm asking for Mr. Mike. That's so actually on that coming to this center gave me more morale to pursue the prospect that is in this field. And that's all that it was like wow, so something like this exists as I'm sitting every day in the class, but it is becoming broader. Wow, so
opportunities. And that's the
opportunities that comes
with the whole thing. That's what is my take on it. It's not like you just finish your training and you're gone. There's still going to be more and more like interaction between the sales department, the technical department, and us that we do the training. And so that want to take it to the next level.
Wonderful. Already I want to do it.
Register for the training now to secure your spots in the class. Please note that participation is limited. Only a few seats left in the class. Chat with us now to register. Thank you.